Neuralink is going to change humanity forever, and here is how. Elon Musk says with Neuralink you will be able to store your memories as a backup and then download them into a robot body. It sounds like a science fiction, but Neuralink believes it could make that happen one day with this chip. It is a brain machine interface or BMI, a device that connects your brain to a computer. But before chasing these superhuman goals, Neuralink is focused on one thing: ending human suffering. All of our senses, hearing, touch, smell, taste, are electrical signals sent by neurons to our brains. But sometimes the signals are not wired correctly. Neuralink wants to rewire the circuit so that the paralyzed can walk, the blind can see, the deaf can hear, as well as treat other neurological disorders such as depression, insomnia, Alzheimer's. The battery lasts a full day and can be charged inductively as you sleep, possibly by wearing a nightcap, according to Musk. Although it might not look like exactly the prototype from 2019. That one required an external earpiece, whereas the latest version involves just the chip sitting in the skull. The wires or threads are 10 times thinner than human hair and represent electrodes. The electrodes figure out what's happening in the brain by reading the signals sent by neurons and then stimulating as many neurons as possible. This technology is not new, but what makes Neuralink drastically different from other neural interfaces is that it will insert significantly more electrodes to stimulate neurons on a scale never seen before. As a comparison, OOTA array is considered as one of the best BMIs out there right now and has been used to study conditions like epilepsy. It has around 100 electrode channels, whereas the current version of Neuralink has more than 1000 and possibly much more in the future. Also, the threads are thinner and more flexible, greatly reducing the risk of piercing blood vessels and potentially causing catastrophic damage. But that doesn't mean humans are capable of precision required for surgery. At the eventual cost of a few thousand to the patient, this robot could one day do the entire operation in under an hour, leaving the chip relatively concealed. That is unlikely, since human trials haven't begun, but they have done tests on animals. The implant has also helped the team predict the limb movement of a pig on a treadmill, with what they described as a high degree of accuracy. But it still remains to be seen how people respond to it. Neuralink has to get a stamp of approval from the US Food and Drug Administration to start human trials geared toward helping those with spinal cord injuries to control a computer. But there are some signs of chaos at the young company. Former employees told STAT, an American health-oriented news website, that rushed timelines were often clashing with science's slow pace. Musk said last year he hoped the trials could begin by the end of 2020, which seems highly unlikely. And then there are the privacy issues that scientists have been urging governments to address, including what data should be collected and how it will be kept safe. So it will likely be a long time before this becomes a reality. But Neuralink has plans to expand rapidly at its headquarters in Fremont, CA. It has a massive space, but only 100 employees. In a few years, it expects to grow to 10,000, which would be more than this number of staff currently at SpaceX. Although the scientists and engineers will continue to work toward curing brain disorders, that's not the main reason Musk created Neuralink. He has reportedly spoken of the fear that humans will be overtaken by artificial intelligence. Based on the hypothesis that AI becomes super intelligent, it could be difficult or impossible for humans to control and can potentially lead to our extinction. So his solution is to sync up the human brain with AI and create a symbiotic relationship. Symbiosis refers to the art of living together. We see this in a natural world in the mutually beneficial relationships. In the same way, humans and AI can grow together. Although Musk has many ambitious projects on the go, this one seems different than the others. SpaceX wants to build a city on Mars, changing where we live. The Boring Company is building underground tunnels, changing how we travel. But Neuralink is changing us, making us in many ways superhuman. Would you be willing to implant a chip in your brain if you had a chance? Let us know if that sounds interesting to you, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all later. Bye bye.